Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your league name. So let's get started. First, launch your FPL application on your device, log into a specific account, and also make sure that the app is updated. After that, go to the fantasy section from the bottom, which is between latest and season. Hover over to the leagues and cups section. Then after, click on configure leagues with the gear icon selected. From this page, go to the league section and select the league that you created and click on this gear icon beside it. Once you do that, under league details, you'll see the league name in the top. Remove the previous name and enter a new one. You can also set the league code privacy and the scoring stats. Then click on update league and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.